Hello, I'm Matthew T. Martin of Death Itself and Pandemonium, and I'm here to introduce a very special occasion, the formation of a new YouTube channel, featuring myself, Kevin Wishart, and Zahoba.
Dudes!
And we will be doing improv comedy. Channels in the description and right here, above Sohil's glorious
Right
head.
here. With this amazing hair.
Yep, and hit the subscribe button, which I'll keep underneath Kevin's luxurious beard. Yes, make sure to check all that out. I really appreciate the support. And I will still be doing my music stuff here occasionally whenever I get that chance, which will be probably once every 2 months, as it has been, because I'm on top of things.
Well,
This guy's a busy man.
this is a pretty high hill we're on right now.
Oh, I get it. Sohil.
Yeah.
Okay. This is it.
This is
It's
it.
gonna be really bad.
You can count on it. Alright, I will see you
We'll see you.
again. Dang it.
It's not all about you, Matt.
I'm so used to being the most important person here.
Well, let's be honest. I'm the most important.
Yes, the most imported absolutely in any country known to man.
I swear all of these clothes are from Canada.
Hey.
I'll be the most exported.
Alright.
Yes. Hasta luego. That was very cut off. Like, no, nowhere.
You didn't even stop it yet. You got that part in.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Do this.
This got really long-winded.
Uh,